In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a video using render queue in After Effects. When your animation is ready to share, the render queue turns your composition into a finished video file. We'll make sure the right comp is active, send it to the queue, choose the correct quality and format, set a destination, and start the render, along with practical tips so your export looks great the first time. Begin by confirming the composition you want to export is active. Click it in the Project panel or select its tab in the timeline so it's clearly highlighted. This is the comp that contains the sequence you intend to deliver. Take a quick preview to verify the duration and ensure you're on the final comp rather than a nested pre-comp. Now add it to the render queue. Go to the Composition menu and choose Add to Render Queue. After Effects opens the Render Queue panel and lists your comp with 3 clickable items: Render Settings, Output Module, and Output 2. Think of these as quality, format, and destination in that order. Click the blue Best Settings text to adjust render settings. Here you control overall quality, resolution, and the frame range. For a full final export, Best Settings typically gives you maximum quality at full resolution. If you only need part of the timeline, change the time span to the appropriate range. For quick draft checks, lowering resolution can speed up rendering, but remember to switch back to full for the master. Confirm the frame rate matches your project settings to avoid unexpected timing. Next, click the blue Lossless or similar text to open the Output module. This is where you choose Format and Codec. For most everyday deliverables, H.264 offers small files and broad compatibility, ideal for web or review. If you need higher fidelity for color grading or editing, pick QuickTime and a production codec like ProRes. When transparency is required, select a format and codec that support an alpha channel and enable it in the options, so overlays or lower thirds remain editable downstream. Click the blue file name beside Output 2 to set where the video will be saved and what it's called. Pick an easy-to-find folder, then name the file clearly with a version or date. Good naming helps avoid overwriting previous exports. Finally, click Render in the upper right of the render queue. Watch the progress bar as After Effects processes the frames, then open the destination folder and play the file to check quality and duration. And that's it. Your composition is now exported using the render queue.